morning. So today is finally drift day. I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Finally going to get out of the garage working on the JZ. So we're almost there. We're like about, I don't know, I want to say, oh, there's Williams. Probably like 40 minutes out. Gorgeous trees. Alright, I'll link back with you guys when I'm actually over there. And we made it. I swear, as a driver, the nerves always build up right before you actually get to the event. So this event is actually for 2 days. I'm not really sure if I even want to do the second day, mainly because I don't really know who's driving and I really don't want to, do solo runs. So yeah, let's see if, people are actually going to be doing the event for tomorrow, and who knows, this might be a 2-day event. But yeah, we're here. Holy damn, there's already a crap ton of people here already. So we're finally here. Gonna get to unloading the car and hit the track. Some preventative maintenance before we hit the track. Car is pretty much put together. I'm gonna go register, do some little tech, check my tires, and then hit the track. I'm gonna quickly check out the layout. That thing's aggressive. Like I said, you see how close it is to the wall? Oh yeah. Dude, that's nice. I like the layout a lot. Do you mind if I step on this? Or? Dude, I don't care. You don't care? Yeah. I don't want to. No worries. You want tandem? Woo. Dang it. Cooler. No. not chipping, it's just kind of bald. Let's check this one. This one I'm more so worried about because it's a lot more cambered than the other side. Oh shit. This one's going as well. There's no wires, so I think I can go for another one. Almost lunchtime too, so let's see. I'm not sure if I even want to do day 2, but got plenty of tires left. So hard. Oh my god, I'm not too proud of that, but my defense, I have like no grip whatsoever. Literally feels like I'm ice skating with 70 psi. So definitely, oh yeah, definitely time for a swap for sure. Oh yeah, these tires are done. Well, I'm glad these lasted me like almost half the day. So guess what happened? Literally was driving the car with no oil cap. I don't know what the hell happened. I'm gonna go on grid and try to see if I can find it. I think it's out there, dude.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure. Here's a cool lineup of the Z's. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly go to AutoZone and try to fix up my oil cap. So I got the oil cap right here. Quickly pop it on so I can get back on the track. Have like, what, 2 hours left, I believe? 3 hours maybe? I gotta look back in the video and see if I actually even tightened up that other oil cap. I'm pretty sure I did. Alright, let's get back on the show. Alright, got the boy Daniel driving the car. So this would happened. Not too bad. Literally matches the other side. We're about to run 4 cars deep. Finally be able to tandem after swapping out my tires. Hopefully my tires feel a lot better than what they were before. All right, let's get it. I have no idea how much cars are going. I think we're doing 5 cars. Oh shoot, there's a tow truck out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm about to hit the wall. I stayed with them though. That was a nice run. All right. I want to attempt to crawl into my own car just to see how bad it is. Okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah. Take my helmet off.
Probably just gonna go for a couple more runs and then I'm done for the day. That was pretty sketch. No! No!
Oh shit.
It started. It literally died right when we fucking finished. How was that? That was sick, right? That's sick. My car died.
Again? Oh shit. Felt like a spitting.
Bruh.
That's no good.
Definitely no more driving after this.
Yeah. It's giving you a sign.
Yeah.
Want me to push it or?
It's done. Nothing. Oh my goodness.
So what happened?
I have no idea, dude. Literally, when I get off the gas, it just cuts. I think it might be my fuel pump.
Must have been doing that.
All day.
All day?
Yeah.
You want me to hit it with my hand and see if it turns on?
Is that how it works?
Yeah, we can do that. Which side is it on?
Right here.
This side.
Well, that's the price I gotta pay. That sucks. I have to see if this car is going to be good for tomorrow. Okay, so after fixing the issue, hopefully going to go for a second run and maybe it actually, you know, doesn't die on me. Peace out.
Well, hope you it doesn't happen again tomorrow.
I really hope it doesn't. I really want to do tomorrow's event. So after that run, it drives totally fine now. I'm so confused. It honestly might be my fuel pump. I'm not really sure. It might be looking like it is the fuel pump though, because how I'm turning on the ignition and there's like no sound of it, you know, even turning on. So that sucks. Definitely want to do tomorrow's event as well, but I'm not too sure at this point. Some more drift damage over here. Zip ties will fix that. But that's definitely going to call it for today, 100%. Always a shout out to Andrew for putting together this event. So I will catch you guys probably in tomorrow's video. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't want to miss on tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.